happy birthday to you. From all friends and you, and wishes so true. May good luck go with you, and happiness too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Any guessing? Any prize to Sushmita? You don't know? The person who guesses the right will have a prize too. Christmas cake. No, sorry. One more chance. One more chance. What is it? Excellent. Who is that most intelligent personality? Please come here. Please come here. You are free to join your hands. Quiz is not yet started. So, Sushmita is going to be the official inaugurator of Phase 1 Mangaluru quiz, organized by District Tourism Development Committee. Our Honorable Deputy Commissioner was supposed to be the inaugurator, was supposed to be the person to light the lamp. So he thought we'll have one student amongst here to light the lamp. So I thought we'll have a luckiest student of the day. I request the Deputy Commissioner to hand over the memento to Sushmita. And you know, this year Karavali Utsava we have this old Mangaluru theme, and Sushmita is having a photograph of 1902, a wonderful bullock cart, so she can go back to her college in a bullock cart. And the person who made the right guessing will get a gift from our Deputy Commissioner, sir. Right guessing. Also, I request our Deputy Commissioner, Shri Sasikanth Senthil, to join us, and Shri Kumar, Additional Deputy Commissioner, and also Mr. Arun from Q Factory, and Madam Ramya Rashmi from Q Factory. And today's inaugurator, Sushmita. Where are you? Where are you? How come you being seated there? Maybe she is looking for a red carpet welcome. All of you join your hands and welcome her. Now this is the time to inaugurate Phase 1 Mangaluru Quiz League. And on behalf of quiz team, hearty welcome to our Deputy Commissioner. I request Dr. Uday Kumar Shetty to hand over the bouquet to our Deputy Commissioner, sir, please.
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ.
Thank you very much.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. So it's a bright morning. Everybody is ready? Good. So district tourism committee in the we wanted to organize, for a long time nothing has been organized for students and general public as such. So we thought quizzing is a very good aspect, even to start with, because now we don't see quizzing just as an aspect of just answering some questions or testing your knowledge. We want to use this as a forum, to push certain things, especially In the afternoon, we are having a quiz on the entire heritage and tourism. I know there will be a lot of professional quizzes here, and we just wanted to, for ourselves enjoy our students and our public, engaging in quizzing. So this is just the start of things to come. We will organize many more events, where people can engage and really enjoy. And with you all, we will also get this feast of, having a nice quiz done. And I hope all of you will participate well. And for conducting the quiz, we have brought in a team they are a professional team. They are not, a very very non-professional team, a professional team. So they will have enough questions of quality for all of you to enjoy. And I hope this entire day you will cherish. And I would request everybody to participate and understand the concept of quizzing and take it forward. I would request our tourism committee AD also to anchor the show well, and all the very best.
Thank you very much for gracing the occasion, sir. Now it is the time our hero of the day, the quiz master, Mr. Snehesh Srinivas is here. Warm welcome to Snehesh Srinivas. Please join your hands, and I request our Deputy Commissioner to extend a flower bouquet.
ಸಾಲು ದೀಪಗಳ ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿರೇವೋ ಹಚ್ಚಿರುವ ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯ ರೂಪ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದ
Q Factory is our knowledge partner. Snehesh, we are looking for a very big show from you. Wish you all the best on behalf of the DK District Administration. Thank you very much. Over to the quiz master.
Very good morning, Mangaluru. It's a privilege and great honor to be here for the first time in such a lovely auditorium. Almost fully packed. All credits to Tourism Department. And big thanks to Shashikant sir. Hope you guys are ready with the papers. Ready for the questions? Okay, so before we start, I'd like to give a brief intro about the things that's going to happen here. We'll be having two quizzes, as pointed out, Netravati Express and Mangala Express. Netravati Express is particularly designed for students. I hope we have a mix of school and college students here. Do we have school students? How many of you are school students? School PUC? Colleges? In degree or PG? Yes, fair enough. So, Netravati Express will be having 20 compartments or 20 questions. And we'll invite top 6 teams on stage. If we have a tie, we use buzzers to resolve the tie. The seats are ready. We have buzzer to resolve ties. 20 questions will be having, basically it's a general quiz, but I'd like to give a clue for all the 20 questions. Think very simply. We are not just doing this as any other quiz or any other show. We are planning, or sir is having some big vision in mind while conceptualizing a quiz like this. This is to address certain issues in the society or to awaken the youth through using the power and potential of this game. That's why we are using quizzing as a tool to create awareness. So think certain things in mind before working out an answer. Clue number 1, try to write all 20 answers. That may help you. If you are not writing anything, thinking like, I don't know this, I'll leave it. That's not the attitude we want here, especially in this quiz. Almost all answers are very much familiar to you, very much familiar to even a primary student. Most of the things are connected to Mangaluru, I mean some connection or other with Mangaluru, but we may not be saying that directly. That's the way questions are being framed in quizzes and major competitive examination. Question will be framed in such a way to confuse you. As you know, this is usually done by institutes and top management institutes in interviews and all. They will pressurize you and just see how you perform in a pressurized atmosphere. So just like that, some questions are a bit convoluted, that may confuse you, that may make you feel that I won't get anything. So some of them may distract you, but always think this answer is very simple or answer is something very near to you. Only thing is how to reach this answer from the question. You got me? I hope we have some regular quizzers, champion quizzers in Mangaluru. There are many first timers. There are people who came because of the tourism factor in it. So it's a heterogeneous crowd. So this problem always arises. The quiz is addressing which segment, whether the quiz is for the seasonal veteran quizzers, or whether the quiz is for the first timers, or whether the quiz is for people who enjoy such knowledge activities. I hope we have a mix up of all these three. So seasonal quizzers or veteran quizzers has to excuse. The level has been set in such a way that everyone will enjoy. No, even though you are not a quizzer or professional quizzer, you will have to enjoy. You will have to enjoy the way a participant reach the answer from the question. So there are many factors involved in it. That is one part. And topic, we have tried to involve all 9 major topics in professional quizzing across the world. There may be question based on current affairs. There could be question based on science and technology. We have some questions connected to sports and games. There is a little bit of literature. History and politics is there. And of course, geography is there prominently. And especially places in and around Karnataka. I'm connected to Dakshina Kannada especially. Maybe in Mangaluru city. All these things, keep all these things in mind. If you don't get anything, just think this way. Whether this could be something connected to Mangaluru. So that could be a clue. The way you think or the way you approach a question is very, very important. I hope I have given enough clues. Now we'll start the game. Ready? How many of your participants till the last row? Do you have participants? Yes, I request participants to come forward and the audience to ensure a line or two. After the participants, just ensure there is a small gap or 2 rows between participants and audience. So participants, please come forward. Keep your mobile phones away. So I request with all respect, I'd like to invite Ramya ma'am to explain this further. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಿಸಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ ನಿಂಗ ಎಂದ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆದಲು ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಂಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೂ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಎದು ಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಲು ಒಂದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೂ ಕೊಂಚ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಕ್ರ ಮಾರಿ ನೀವು ಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸು ಮುಂದಿನ ಚೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಂಚ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ತು.
So, over to the match. Ready? I hope there is a decent space between 2 teams. How are you placed? Do we have a chair between 2 teams? That could be a fair deal, I guess. You can still come forward. Even some of the teams can come to this side, the second row, this side.
ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗ್ತು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಚೇರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಕಲಿಗಳ
ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂತಿರಬಾರ್ದು. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಕೂತಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೂತಿರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚೇರ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ರೋ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ. ಗುಡ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ರೋ, ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್, ಫೈನ್. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್, there are 2 chairs vacant. Shift this side. ಒಂದು ಚೇರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಮ್ಮ, ನೀನೊಂದು ಚೇರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈ ಟೀಮ್ ಆದರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಟೀಮ್ನವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಡು ಒಂದು ಚೇರ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಒಂದು ಚೇರ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂತಿರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜೆಂಟ್ಲ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಯು ಕಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ. 1 2 3. ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್. ಎಸ್, ಫೈನ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ರೋ, ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು. ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಮೂವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಶಿಫ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ರೋ, ರೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಮುಂದೆ ಕೈ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ವೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. One participant is there. We can? Okay. Next row. ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್? ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಚೆಕ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನನ್ನು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದವರು ಪಕ್ಕದವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಕೆನರಾ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ನ ಬಿ ಹಮೀದ್ ಅವರು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್, ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇರುವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಸರ್. ಹಾರ್ಟಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇವರ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ನ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಓಕೆ. 1500 numbers of traders and industrialists are the members of Canara Chamber of Commerce. It's the oldest chamber of commerce in our district. 80 years old. Oh, good. 80 years young, I can say this. Thank you, sir. Hearty welcome to you all. Over to our quiz master.
So the stage is ready. Participants are ready. We have to be ready. Before we start the quiz, I would like to mention the rules first. So rule number 1 says, rule number 1 says no negative marks. So that ma'am has already explained. Rule number 2 says no multiple answers. That means you are supposed to write one answer for one question unless specifically asked. So single answer. Your answer should be one word. Don't explain the answer. We are looking for one word answers only. Don't write anything more, don't write anything less. That should be the exact answer. Rule number 3, of course, that's a rule in any other quiz. Make sure you're writing your own answers. No contacts with your neighbors, no facial expressions, no exchange of anything. Write your own answer. And rule number 4 says, in case of a tie, of course, that we already mentioned again, those who are tied will be invited on stage, and we'll play tiebreaker like a sudden death. One question, Whoever gets it will move to the final. Whoever loses it will be out. Right? No negative mark, no multiple answers. Try to write all answers. So your first target is to write 20 answers. Right? Here we go. Ready? The quiz is researched by Q Factory. Q Factory is based in Kerala. We have been quizzing for the last 18 years across the world. And another thing I forgot to mention, of course, quizzing means a knowledge game. Knowledge means we should not restrict certain things to any locality or place or religion or language or anything. So we would like to treat you as quiz players who can perform anywhere in the world or anywhere in India at least or anywhere in South India at least. So most of the quizzes that we do will be following visual pattern plus English, but still, in some cases, if you think the translation is extremely necessary, you can raise your hands and any of our team members will be there to help you. But normally, we, again, just think of it, you can't always quiz from in and around this place. You have to move out of this place, you have to go to other states, maybe in other countries. Just like any other game, if you're a football player, you can't always play from your location and locality. So we have to move, we have to think outside district, outside state, or outside world. So try to work out, try to write most of the answers in English if possible. But again, we are not being strict because we are just launching so-called quiz culture over here. That was what DC sir said. I know Mangaluru is a happening place. There are a lot of quizzes happening, but we'd like to ensure the quizzes are streamlined, or this is in par with International Quizzing Association. Just like you have FIFA for football, ICC for cricket, there is the regulatory body who organizes the World Championship in quizzing. That is called IQA. And we represent IQA in South India. So we are trying to slowly standardize this game in the entire part of the world, like a proper ranking system in India, a proper ranking system in each of the Indian states, in each of the Indian districts. So that is, maybe this should be taken as a launch pad for all this. So feel free to raise your hands if ever you have any confusion regarding any terms. We will be translating that for sure. Fine? Here we go. You can see the results, photograph, and every happening in quizzing in this website, q4quizzing.com, launched by 10 students across India. And clue again, just observe, see everything well. Every part of the question may be important to reach the answer. Right? Here we go. Question number 1. What you're seeing there is ISI. ISI mark. So what is ISI mark? ISI stands for? No, this is not my question, just asking you. Just take using as a discussion only. Don't take it as a much big deal. ISI, what is ISI? Can someone tell me? Indian standard this time. So ISI mark is given to a product or entity to ensure the quality or standard of that product. Do you agree? Okay. So when this concept of ISI mark or Indian standard mark has been introduced in India, what was the first thing in India to get an ISI mark? ISI 1. That is the question for you. We have a history of ISI marks. Just think of it. ISI has been introduced in India, maybe in late 40s. So something has to be given an ISI mark to start with. What was the first thing in India to get an ISI mark? That is the question for you. Got it? Yeah. So think again. Not getting anything means take a guess. I repeat, questions are not like I don't know or I know. Every question you have space to think. What could be this? All these things. Got it? How many of you got it? Don't say the answer. How many of you got the right answer? Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm seeing some familiar faces in quizzing now. Yeah. Moving ahead. Please hold on. So 2 of you think you got the right answer. Only 2. How many teams do we have? How many teams, sir? 70. Only 2 among 70 think you got the right answer. Once again, how many of you got it right? 100% sure? You got it right? You got it right. 2 teams only. Okay, I don't believe this. Anyway, let's see the answers. I mean, while seeing the answers, I'm sure there might be more. Ready? Question number 2. This was something in news. You have to identify 2 answers for this, I think. Can you have the display? Yes. This is something that was proposed twice, that is under consideration, that was postponed. So, what you're seeing is the map showing taluks of Dakshina Kannada district. In this map, so we'll soon get an upgradation, or we'll soon get an upgraded map. Like more districts or like more taluks are being added to Dakshina Kannada district. But in this particular map, say a few years back at least, we have how many taluks? 5 taluks. 5 taluks over there, and of which 2 are missing. Just identify the 2 taluks. We don't want any of you to score zeros. So certain questions has been added purposefully to avoid zeros. So consider this as one of them. 2 taluks. We'll split the points, half each. I repeat, this is not connected to the latest proposal. This was a scenario till last year for sure. In this particular map, which 2 taluks are being blanked out? You write 2 answers. See the map. In that map, 2 taluks are missing. I have already started by saying this is not about the newly added taluks. That's not being considered in this particular question. Look at the map here. In this particular map, which are the 2 taluks missing? That is number 2. I hope you got 2 answers. Just write 2 answers for this. And moving ahead to question number 3. Can we have question number 3? Yes, this is something very interesting. Very interesting at the same time, very easy, because you have only 12 choices. 12 months we are having. This is all about the names of these months. Among the 12 months, 6 of them are named after Roman gods or kings. 4 of them are named after numbers. 1 is named after a festival. So 11 gone. Which is the remaining one? Which has been named after the Latin word for open. So that is one etymology, just one etymology behind the name of this month. Just identify this particular month, which is not named after any number, which is not named after any Roman god or goddess, or which is not named after a festival. So which month we are talking about? So 1/12 is the probability for getting this right. Just identify the month. Fine? Moving ahead, question number 4. This is something that is having a local flavor, local connection, something connected to Mangaluru or Dakshina Kannada. Darktan, Moments, Data, Winner, Turbo, and Megabyte. All these are variants of what? What are all these? I just need one word answer. I'm looking for the name of a brand. Get me the name of a brand only. So this is business. As I mentioned earlier, we have science, we have sports, we have literature, art and culture, music, movies, and business too. So everything is business these days. Tourism is big business. Education is business. Which brand? Might be a favorite brand of some of you at least. Got? Yes. This is number 4. Moving ahead, number 5, please. This is something connected to your health. We have 70 teams, 140 students, plus organizers, everyone is here. This is a health condition that most of us might have faced at some point of time or other. Some may be facing this in a chronic way, like recurrent one. Some may face this very occasionally. This is a health condition. So in medical terms, it is called cephalalgia. Cephalalgia. Cephala means something, algia means something. So what is the very common term for cephalalgia? Or what do cephalalgia represent? Do we have MBBS students here? Medical students? Do we have medical dental nursing? Yes. So what is cephalalgia? What common health condition is cephalalgia? Some may call it a disease. It's not exactly a disease. It's just a condition, mostly a temporary condition for most of us. Yes? Again, one word only. Number 5. Number 6, please. Yes, this is John O'Sullivan. This gentleman, or engineer, or scientist, is known as father of some technology in the world. John O'Sullivan is known as father of a technology, particular technology, which is very common or very popular across the world these days, especially among youth. Don't get misled by my clues. Youth in the sense for a particular reason using this technology. Very common technology, very familiar technology. In every nook and corner, this technology has been introduced nowadays. You go to a particular sport, maybe in certain tourism sports, this has been provided. You go to some hotels, there'll be this over here also. So, likewise, it's being very popular these days. What technology are we talking about? And John O'Sullivan is known as the father of this particular technology. Of course, there are many people who have worked behind this technology, but this guy has got the credit in most of the references as being the father of this particular technology. What technology is in question? Yes, again, please remember my clue. You don't get confused or convoluted or think this is something very big that you have never heard of. It's not like that. Very common, very familiar, very easy thing. What technology is this? That was number 6. Moving ahead to number 7. The person you're seeing there is Norman Pritchard, and you can see something near him, like the man who started it for India. The man who started what for India? What first has been credited to Norman Pritchard? What first in India has been credited to Norman Pritchard? Yes? So this is the 7th one. What first in India has been credited to Norman Pritchard? For a quizzer, this will be like just chocolate or pancakes or whatever you call it. Such easy questions. Fine. Number 8. This is a very famous regional story. We were thinking of editing it initially, but we thought of asking it this way again. Queen of Ullal, for the Portuguese in later half of 16th century, identify the brain lady. You can see an Amar Chitragada named after this lady. So this is question number 2 to ensure that there are no zeros. Because you get the name Ullal means this should be the only answer that should come to your mind. So we have to ensure at least for some questions 100% of you are happy. Take it that way. Number 8, identify the brave lady. Number 9, this is an interesting story. You're seeing the photograph of Mahatma Gandhiji along with Patrick Lawrence. This particular person is Patrick Lawrence. So what is so special about this particular photograph of Mahatma Gandhi along with Patrick Lawrence? So this particular photograph became an instant hit across the country. Everywhere in India, where can you find this particular photograph of Mahatma Gandhi? That's it. So, question is about this particular snap while Gandhiji was standing along with Patik Lawrence in that particular location. Right? Hope you got it. The facial expression of many of you says you got it. Yes, number 10 please. Another easy one, but we'd like to split into two. This is the tourism icon of a particular Asian country. Number one, identify the country. Number two, what is the name of this particular creature you're seeing in the picture? Half points each. Half points for identifying the country. Country, please write. Almost all of you should get the country right. Asian country. Part number two, this particular creature has got a name. Identify the creature. You've seen the creature, right? Yes. What is the exact name of this creature, which is known as the tourism icon? When you go to this country or you visit this country, this will be the most common icon that you see in souvenirs or keychains or logos or everywhere. We have a registered head office in this country for a clue. Our accusing team has been registered in this country in the year 2008. That's not a clue, but just an additional information. Asian country. Number 10. This is number 10. Number 11. Again, simple straight question. This is about a peak, which is known as the highest peak in Karnataka. And there is a history behind the origin of name of this peak, as you can see there. Named after or dedicated to a sage. And statistics are the 1930 meter, fourth highest peak between Nilgiris and Himalaya. We have Aumala, Chembra and Banasura Hill. Then the location is given Chandra, Drona Hill ranges of western ghats of Chikkamangaluru Taluk. Which particular peak is this? Which is known as the highest peak in Karnataka. Fine? Number 11, write the name of the peak. Number 12, what is this? This is known as the Holy Trinity in Christianity. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Fine? Question goes like this. In Somalia, most of the region is ruled by extremist groups. You have no terrorist group and extremist group, you know about all this. So these terrorist groups did one atrocious thing or unbelievable thing. They gave a ban to a particular snack, citing the reason that this particular snack resembled the Holy Trinity in Christianity. We don't want to promote Christianity in our country, so ban this. This snack is not permitted in our country. So which unfortunate snack we are talking about? A very popular snack which is readily available if you go out and visit the first outlet or eatery, you may get this. What snack is this? We were staying in a hotel yesterday for evening tea. We ordered this thing. So this snack is readily available across the world, across India, across Karnataka, across Mangaluru, everywhere. But certain extremist group in Somalia has banned this snack, citing the reason that this snack resembles the Holy Trinity in Christianity. Which snack is this? Yep. Number 12. And number 13, another sitter. So 5 among 20 should be sitters. No. Science and technology, astronomy, what you're seeing there are certain moons. Europa, Io, Callisto, and Ganymede. All these are moons of which satellite? Which planet? All these are satellites or moons of which planet? Question is about a planet. Again, only. This is basically an LKG or UKG or kindergarten stuff. I hope you agree with that at least. Number 13, which planet? Number 14, yes, Madippu. That is the name of a movie you are seeing there. Paddai is another movie you are seeing on your right. Madippu is basically themed after a particular ritual called Buddha Aradhane. How many of you have seen the movie Madippu? Not seen? These are the only two Tulu movies that has won national award for best movies. Madippu and Padai. So Madippu, as you can see, the theme is Buddha Aradhane, and for Padai, that is based on a tragic story written by William Shakespeare. Just identify that work of literature by William Shakespeare. Padai. The book centers around damaging psychological effects of political ambitions and all. Which work of Shakespeare are we talking about? Again, limited choices only. Think of Shakespearean work. I hope we have some literature students here. Do we? Identify the Shakespearean work. Yeah? Number 14. Number 15, please. Yeah. Go ahead and get your points. I don't want to even explain this question. Just identify the bank. Identify the bank. Old logo and new logo given straight away. We have changed certain questions yesterday night for obvious reasons. So thought of giving priority to the happiness factor. Department don't want to see you sad after attending this quiz and say, I got a 0. Huh? We still score zeros because we still go and attend quizzes. That's a very usual thing for us, but we don't want you to experience that in this particular quiz. So identify the bank. Number 16, Sudharma. That is a daily you're seeing there. That's a newspaper. What is so special about this newspaper, established in 1970 and published from Mysore? It's got a very particular speciality. What is so special about this newspaper called Sudharma? Some uniqueness in India. What is so special about Sudharma? Make sure that whatever you are writing is the exact answer we are looking for. Don't write half of it and say the rest is understood. The rest might be understood, but if you want points, you have to write it very clearly without leaving any doubts or second thoughts. Yes, so number 16 is about Sudharma. Number 17, yeah, this is a traveler because the quizzes are organized as part of Karavalli Fest, as you know. It's a tourism festival, it's a festival. So travel and tourism should be a flavor in both of the quizzes. Even though this is a general quiz, this is something connected to a traveler. And this particular traveler stayed for a time in South India under the protection of Jamaluddin on the banks of Sharavati river. The area is known as Hosapattana and lies in the Honavar administrative district of Uttara Kannada. Which traveler is this? Identify this Moroccan traveler. Are you familiar with the country Morocco? How many of you know the capital of Morocco? Do we have audience prizes? We have. Okay. What's your name? Atul. From? Which? Okay. Which is the capital of Morocco?
Rabat.
Rabat is the capital of Morocco. Why don't we appreciate him? Yes. So question is about the Moroccan traveler. Yeah, you can note down his name. Yes. So Adul, you will be getting a prize. Please wait for your prize. Now answer this. Identify the Moroccan traveler. Okay, Adul, come. So Adul get a chance to get the first prize of the day. Loud round of applause to Adul. And Adul, you can come here. You can come to this part, please. We need you photographed. I request Abdul Hamid sir to hand over the prize. Loud round of applause. Yes.
Atul is representing which school or college?
Sharada PU College. Please put your hands together for Sharada PU College.
So Atul from Sharda PU College won a prize for this, and you got the answer right? Maybe. Yes. Number 17 about this traveler. Number 18, please. Please hold on. We have 3 more questions to go. And we'll take a very quick recap just to ensure that you haven't messed up with the question numbers. So meanwhile, we'll have one more audience question. Manjunath sir, where are you? We have the prizes ready. Okay. Ready. So don't shout the answers. Just raise your hands if you know the answer. And of course, many of you may raise your hands. So we'll identify one, and we'll invite that person to come over here and answer from here. Ready? Okay. S.D. Burman is a famous musician. Yeah, come. I've seen his name first. I've seen his hand first. Yeah, come here and introduce yourself. Don't shout the answer. I haven't asked the question. Huh? Yeah.
My name is Sri Krishna Kashyapa.
For them.
and I'm from-
Once again.
My name is Sri Krishna Kashyapa and I'm from NITE College, NITE Engineering.
Sri Krishna Kashyapa from?
NMIT, NITE Engineering College.
Huh. No, he has not yet won. So question is about to come. So I just said S.D. Burman. I haven't asked any question. I can ask at least a dozen questions based on S.D. Burman straight away. So what are you going to answer? No, wait. What are you thinking right now?
Sachin Tendulkar.
I haven't asked the question at
But you will be asking that question.
Once again?
But you will be asking that question.
I'll be asking that question. You sure I can't ask a question like who is the father of S.D. Burman?
No, that doesn't make sense.
Why?
That doesn't make sense in
That
quizzing. Sir.
absolutely makes sense because S.D. Burman is such a famous person across India. Have you heard of R.D. Burman? Yeah. Does that make any sense if I ask about R.D. Burman?
Yes.
Yes. So what made you say Sachin Tendulkar? Explain your answer.
Sachin Tendulkar's name is based on Sachin Dev Burman. His father was a fan of Sachin Dev Burman. So he named Tendulkar as Sachin Tendulkar.
That is the
Sachin
story
Tendulkar.
that you are having. Yes. So while hearing S.D. Burman, you press the buzzer.
Yes.
And you will answer Sachin Tendulkar.
Yes.
Anticipating that I am going to ask this thing.
Yes.
That is called absolute brilliance. Loud round of applause. Please come forward with the praise. Stay over here.
I request Mr. Albukar sir from Summer Science to hand over the prize to him, sir.
Please come, sir.
One of the best beach resorts of Mangaluru, sir.
Sir, please join them.
Please hand over the prize to him, sir.
Do you have the praise?
Okay.
That was a superb answer from him. Loud round of applause, please.
Thank you very much, sir. So kind of you.
So, whatever we anticipated is right. There are people who can answer things in a jiffy. Before I elaborate the question, we have the answer. So, we'll be forced to change some questions in the final for sure. Excuse us for the easiness factor. And is it ready? Yep. So, can we have one more audience question meanwhile? Huh? Okay. So, I request someone from the girls to answer this. It's a ladies only question. This particular lady is from Kerala, but the lady was born in Shillong. Lady was born in Shillong in Meghalaya. This lady did a lot of things to make a living. She even had to sell cakes in the beaches of Goa. She studied architecture. She modeled for jewelries. She acted in movies. She's an activist, well-known activist in India. She's the first person in India. Yes, this is for the ladies. Excuse us. Question is for the ladies. Yeah, girls, any of you? No? Okay, she is from the field of literature. First lady to win a prestigious international award. First lady in India. Wait, boss, this is for the ladies. Let them have a try first. Literature, ladies, she can be considered as an Anglo-Indian writer because she mostly writes in English. No? I'll make it very obvious. She's the first Indian to win the Booker Prize. Yeah. You have to identify. Yes, we have a hand. Volunteers, you can spot on the person who raised it first. Come here, come forward. And introduce yourself first. Your name, your college, and everything. And give the answer. Please come. Yes, please. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning. I'm Sala from KIMS Country Institute of Management and Science. And my answer is Arundhati Roy.
The answer is?
Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati Roy. So what made you answer Arundhati Roy?
She's a...
Booker Prize thing? God of Small Things.
No, Booker Prize.
Yeah, Booker Prize, and that was the God of Small Things was the masterpiece work. Can you mention or can you give any other work of Arundhati Roy? Have you read?
No.
You read the book?
No.
Just heard of this fact. She's the first person to win the Booker Prize. Is absolutely right. Please give a loud round of applause for her, and we have a prize.
So big round of applause to Sahala. Now I request Mr. Atish Bhai Kampadi, CEO of Panambur Beach Development Committee. Please hand over the prize, sir. As a complimentary, Sahala is going to get the free entry to Panambur Beach also. Yes. Are you enjoying it? Yes or no? So shall we all have a big round of applause to Mr. Sneha's too?
Big round of applause to the tourism department only,
Yes,
please.
thank you.
All these are borrowed questions. Now we have question. That was question number. Last one was question number 17. Morocco traveler, right? Okay. Question number 18 on screen is about a gentleman called Iftikhar Ahmad. This is Iftikhar Ahmad, the person third from right in the photograph on your right. That is Iftikhar Ahmad. And Iftikhar Ahmad is seen sitting along with his grandchildren in the photograph that you see on your left. And among the children, the one sitting on extreme right is the one in question, if this photograph is right. So this Iftikhar Ahmad served as the chief engineer of Mangaluru port in 1960s. That is about Iftikhar Ahmad. But the question is about his famous grandson, who studied in Hansraj College, New Delhi. He's a famous alumni of Hansraj College, New Delhi. And is famous across India. Which famous celebrity is the grandson of Iftikhar Ahmad? Yes. Just identify the famous grandson of Iftikhar Ahmad. That's the question. Number 18, the grandson of Iftikhar Ahmad. Number 19, please. What you see on your right is a famous video. What you see on your left is the photograph of a person. Get me two answers. One, identify the person on your left. Two, identify the background of the video. Where is the location? This is a famous song from the movie Bombay. You know the song Uire from Bombay is what you are seeing there. Just identify the location. I need an exact answer for this. So two answers. One, identify the person whom you are seeing on your left. Two, identify the location in the video. Two answers, half points each. Question number 19, done. Two answers, half points each. And moving ahead to the last question in this preliminary round. Just remember, this is only a screening round. The actual quiz is only going to begin. The actual quiz will be on stage. But make sure of one thing. Quizzing is not like, if I'm in the final, I'll stay back. If I'm not in the final, I'll go back. Please don't show this attitude. Quizzing means each and every question should be important. Consider this as a screening only. And if this was not your day, you may not reach the final, but make sure that you stay back and note down the questions and make use of it in your upcoming quizzes or competitive examination or scholarship examination or whatever. So even though we have only limited number of questions, we are having at least 5 times number of facts and statistics and information surrounding all this. We don't want to make the quizzes too much trivia based or too much Western fundas and all. Of course, that kind of quizzing is happening, but this particular quiz is not for testing your skills or testing your funda skills. This is all about certain facts, statistics, information, awareness about places. So that is the purpose of organizing this particular quiz. Maybe we'll meet in some other quiz for the quizzers. Fine. So this one, 19, two-part answer, and the last one, 20. Origin in Bangrabalige Valley, Yelaniru Gut, in Kudremug, in Chikmagaluru district. The last part is debatable, of course. Some says that is not named like that, but in some books and references you can see that this was formerly called Bandwal, even though Bandwal is the name of a region now. So I'm not talking about the region Bandwal. This particular thing has its origin at Bangrabalige Valley, Yelaniru Gut, in Kudremug, in Chikmagaluru district. So district is given, valley is given, gut is given, the location is given. What are we talking about? Don't focus on the previous name part. Think of other part of the questions, other data. The district is given, valley is given, gut is given. What could be this? Question number 20. Fine? 20? Yeah, we'll take a quick recap. Number 20, what is this? Number 19, 2 answers you have to write. Don't mess up with the question numbers. I'm just taking a quick recap. I'm not going to explain all the questions. Identify the person, identify the location. Number 18, please. Yes, identify the famous grandson of Iftikhar Ahmad. Number 17, which Moroccan traveler is in question? Number 16, what is so special about Sudama? Number 15, identify the bank. 14, identify the work by William Shakespeare. 13, identify the planet. 12, what snack is in question? 11, highest peak in Karnataka. 10, the country and the creature. 9, what's so special about this photograph? 8, identify the queen. 7, what is being asked in the question started first. Norman Pritchard is the first person to get what? 6. What technology? 5. What condition is cephalalgia? 4. What are all these? Identify the brand. 3. Which month is in question? 2. Identify both taluks in this particular map. And 1. First thing in India to get an ISI mark. These were the 20 questions. I would like to make a prediction, at least 3 or 4 will be there with all 20 out of 20. I'm 100% sure that we are not going to have any zeros, because some questions we are given the answers straight away in front of you. Can we return the papers? Volunteers ready? Please collect the answer sheets. Make sure that they have written the registration number or registration code. And we'll see the answers straight away. I request the volunteers to collect the answer sheets and come forward. And Q Factory team, please get ready to do the evaluation. So as we pointed out earlier, we just see the answers one after one. Some questions, there are prizes for the audience. So maybe in every question you can raise your hand if you're 100% sure you know the answer. But don't shout the answers. Shouting the answer means the prizes has been cancelled for that particular question. Yeah, starting with ISI mark. How many of you think you got it right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Many hands. We'll start from back. We have a hand over there. Just give the mic to her. Let her identify herself. And do we have someone to note down the names? Yeah, please introduce.
My name is Sushmita.
Huh.
The answer for this question is Indian national flag.
Once again, Sushmita, what you are from?
Government College of Teachers Education, Mangalore.
Okay. And your answer is?
Indian national flag.
Indian national flag is the first thing in India to get an ISI mark. Is that your answer?
Yes.
You are right, Sushmita. Loud round of applause to Sushmita. This is Indian national flag. You can sit there. You will. The winners can come together. Please stay tuned. Don't go away. Sushmita getting a prize. Number 1, Indian national flag. So those who are volunteering, just strike it off. If that is not right, just mark 1 point. We may give 1 point or half point or 0 point accordingly. Number 1 is Indian national flag. Number 2, how many of you think you know both part right? We have a lot of hands for this one. This is such an easy one. So I think you can shout it together. We don't have a prize for this one. Yeah, you can shout the answer. One is Mangaluru and is the right answer. This is Mangaluru and Sulya. Half points for Mangaluru, half points for Sulya. If one part is there, give half points. How many of you got both parts right? Once again? Not even 50%. Okay. Number 2, Mangaluru and Sulya. Question number 2, Mangaluru and Sulya. Question number 3. How many of you got it right? Note down the other one. Please introduce your name.
I'm Pragnya from NITK.
Once again.
I'm Pragnya from NITK.
Okay, where's your native place?
Mangalore.
Okay, go ahead. Answer is?
May.
May.
Month of May.
May. May is named after the goddess Maya. Huh? So not May for this one. Anyway, you gave a good attempt. Next one, you have someone from back. We can't give too much of chances for this thing because things are getting omitted. Yeah, one more try.
I'm Afwal from Saint Rita, Vitla.
Afsal. Afwal. What's your answer?
February.
February is named after a festival called Februra. So we're closing this. No more tries because now only 10 choices left. So which are the 6 months named after Roman gods or kings? Yeah. We'll start with January. January is named after Janus, the two-headed god. February is named after a festival, Februara. We have multiple theories for all these names. Always keep in mind. But March is named after the Roman god Mars, the Roman god of war. Then we have December, November, October, September. Deca, Nava, Octo, Septa, named after numbers. Julius Caesar gave his name to July, and Augustus Caesar gave his name to August. June is named after Juno, the goddess. May is named after Maya. So what remains? This remains. April. Any right answers? Yes, we have right answers. Good. So number 3, April. That is number 3. Can we have question number 4? This is question number 4. Yeah. And another easy one. I think most of you might be getting this. This is a Mangaluru question. And the answer is? The answer is Camco. These are variants of Camco chocolate. Number 4, Camco. How many right answers for Camco? A lot of right answers for Camco. Good. Number 4, Camco. Oh, I'm happy to see at least one answer, one paper which has messed up with the banking question. Anyway, number 5, cephalalgia. How many of you think you have to make a try for this? Yeah, you come. Yeah, come. Name.
Preetham.
Yeah.
Headache.
Preetham, headache. Please. Preetham Upadhyaya. Is that your name?
Yeah.
Yes. Preetham Upadhyaya says headache. How many of you think this is headache? Cephala means what, Preetham?
Head. Algia is pain.
Head. Algia. Anything connected to algia is pain. That is a perfect answer. Preetham gets it right. Loud round of applause. Yeah. Any of you wrote migraine? This is not migraine. This is cephalalgia is simply a headache. Number 5, headache. Number 6. This is number 5, headache. Number 6, now we are rushing. John O'Sullivan. John, sir, answering it. Yeah. What's your name, sir?
I'm Yatish Baikampadi. Wi-Fi. Mangaluru. I'm from the tourism field.
And answer is Wi-Fi. Right answer. So, sir deserves a praise. Please hold on, sir. Number 6, Wi-Fi. How many right answers for Wi-Fi? Many right answers for Wi-Fi because I have given too many clues. No, multiple answers we can't accept. I have initially told you one question, one answer only. Number 7, this is another easy one, or basic facts. The first, you can answer. What is this? First Olympic medal for India, that is Olympic medal, number 7, Olympic medal. Okay, how many of you got the Olympic medal right? Oh, that's strange. Yeah. Preetham, you need not raise hands for everything. I know you might be scoring 20. You sure? No. Okay, this is number 8. And this should be the one that is having 100% of answer. This is, shout your answers together please. Abbaka Devi. Abbaka Devi is right. Rani Abbaka. Number 8. Rani Abbaka. Ullal. So, are you done? Yes. Number 8, Rani Abbaka. Number 9, Gandhiji, Pathik Lawrence. What is so special about this photograph? We have a hand from this part. Can you give mic? Yeah, make it fast. Please introduce your name.
My name is Mayur.
Huh.
I am from Canara PU College.
Wow. And what is your answer for this one?
The answer is that this note is used in the currency.
This is not a note. This photograph is
Note
used in.
currency notes.
This is the picture of Gandhiji that you are seeing in currency note. Is the right answer. Currency note. So whoever answered currency note will get the prize. So number 9, the photograph seen in currency notes. That's the answer that we want. Huh? Number 9. Number 10, two-part answer. Most of you might have got the country right. Country is Singapore. And what's the name of this creature? Merlion. This is half mermaid and half lion. This is Merlion. So half points for Singapore, half points for Merlion. Merlion, M-E-R-L-I-O-N. Mermaid plus lion combined together, that's a Merlion. You could have worked it out. The head of a lion and the body of a mermaid. Merlion. We have statues of merlions across Singapore. Do you know which is the most famous one? Where in Singapore you can find the most famous of all merlions? Any idea? In which island? Sentosa. This is Sentosa. This one, again, simple straight fact. Highest peak in Karnataka, not going to change. Yeah, this is Mullayanagiri, named after the sage. You can see this plaque over there if you visit the Sri Guru Mellu Gadrige Mullappa Swami Mata. Mullayanagiri, highest peak in Karnataka. 11. How many of you got Mullayanagiri right? Good. Number 11, Mullayanagiri. Number 12. One of the most interesting ones. Which snack are we talking about? Of course, this is a samosa only. Samosa. The shape of samosa you have seen there. Do we have wrong answers for this? I have given almost a samosa over there and asked you what is this. And you wrote pizza? No, I'm sure. This is samosa. Number 12, samosa. Number 13. And these are moons of Ganymede should be a giveaway clue. You can shout the answer. Jupiter, Jupiter. This is moon of Jupiter. Number 13, Jupiter. You have to rush for a while, but prizes are there. Please stay back for the finals. More questions, more prizes. Number 14, and story. How many of you wrote Othello? Othello is not right. How many of you wrote Macbeth? Yeah, go ahead. Someone is asking for that. Othello, 3 answers. Then, yeah. Please introduce and please answer.
Myself, Pratiksha. The answer is King Macbeth.
You are from?
GCT Mangalore.
Fine. This is the right answer. Macbeth is the right answer. How many of you got Macbeth right? Oh, again only few. Good. Macbeth. Number 14, Macbeth. Just note down her name, please. Number 15. That is written there, no? In Hindi itself. Yeah, already there. And we have certain people who have got it wrong. That is unbelievable, no? Yeah. This is Canara Bank. I don't want. Let me answer this one. This is Canara Bank. Number 16. Sudharma. What is so special about Sudharma? Here.
The only Sanskrit daily in India that is still published.
Is the right answer. The only Sanskrit daily in India. I need that answer. I won't give points for simply writing Sanskrit. My question, what is so special? Introduce yourself. Before answering, please introduce yourself properly. Your name and institution is very important. Make sure of
My name is Sandeep.
Sandeep, and you're from?
I'm part of the public.
Yep. Sandeep getting praise for that. This is the only Sanskrit newspaper in circulation. So that has to be there. Simply writing Sanskrit means it's like you take whatever you want. I told you very clearly, and especially posing on this question, I have told the answer should be very clear. What is so special means Sanskrit itself won't do. So only Sanskrit daily in India. Sanskrit will give half points. We are not being that strict, but we always recommend you, especially students, to be very specific, because in most of the competitive examinations and all, this will reflect. Number 16, Sanskrit, only Sanskrit newspaper. Number 17. Yep. Here. You tried once? No. Yeah, give mic. Here. Mic. Through the mic, please.
My name is Dixit from Besant Evening College. The answer is Ibn Battuta.
Ibn Battuta is the right answer. Dikshit getting it right. Ibn Battuta. How many of you got Ibn Battuta right? Oh, very good. Very good. This is Ibn Battuta. Number 18. This is something you won't be missing. Yeah. You have a hand there. Grandson of Iftikhar Ahmad, Hansraj College, New Delhi.
My name is Roland Gomes and I'm from NMIMIT Nitte. The answer is Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan, right answer. Roland says this is Shah Rukh Khan. How many right answers for Shah Rukh Khan? Cool. Number 18, Shah Rukh Khan. Number 19, two-part answer. Yep. Just shout the answer. This is again another easy one. The person is Venkatappa Nayaka, and location Bekal Fort. Venkatappa Nayaka and Bekal Fort. These are the answers that we want. Sorry, this is not Venkatappa Nayaka. The person was Shivappa Nayaka. I'm sorry. He was the one who initiated the construction, and the other one was the one who completed the construction. This one was Shivappa Nayaka. I'm sorry. Yeah. Just note down his name. Your names, well. Let's recognize at least. Your name, please. Vishwas from Medical College. Vishwas. Dr. Vishwas. Oh. Great. Shivappa Nayaka and Bekal Fort are the answers that we are looking for. And the last one. Bangra Balige Valige, Yelanuru Gut, Kudremuk, Chikmagaluru. Do you have the answers somewhere in front of you? Yeah, the answer was there in front of you. Yes, sir. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, they were given a particular answer sheet. I think answer is there. Yep. The one you see in your answer sheet, that is Netravadi. Netravadi is the answer I was looking for. The name of the quiz was Netravadi Express. So, number 20, Netravadi. How many right answers for Netravadi? Good. Good. These are the 20 answers for the day. Now we'll have a quick look at the scores. We'll evaluate it and we'll let you know. Meanwhile, you can just note down these details. We have some quizzing activity in Mangaluru. Very happy to know that even though we tried, we couldn't identify that. So IQA has got plans to launch quizzing activities across India. We have some voluntary activities in Kerala also. We meet every month. Some were no registration fee, no prices, nothing, only for the sake of quizzing. I hope here also something like that will happen regularly or on a regular basis. So, how many of you think you got 20 out of 20? No. Seriously, I was expecting at least 5 of you to score 20 out of 20. Were there any answers that was not familiar to you? Seriously asking. Any answer that you think I never heard this word before or never heard this answer before?
ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ. ಬರ್ಡೇ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಸುಷ್ಮಿತಾ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. Please, all of you come together. Preetham Upadhyaya, he is a participant. Please come forward. And Yatish Baikampadi, sir, you are also privileged to come. Please, sir. And Yatish Baikampadi. Okay, Mayur from Canara PU College. Pratiksha from JC. And Sandeep, you are also privileged to come. Dikshit from Besant College. And Rohan Gomes. Is it Rohan Gomes? Where are you? Kamath is privileged to be here. He is the member of Mangaluru Quizzing Foundation, MQF. They have the Facebook also, and they are regularly conducting the quiz competition here in Tejaswini Hospital, Mangaluru. And you can tag that Facebook and you can have the contact with him. Demadi, I will give you 1 minute privilege to.
Thanks everyone for giving this opportunity. So Mangaluru Quizzing Foundation also was founded in 2001 and we have revived it. We meet every Saturday at 6 p.m. Every first Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. in the conference room of Tejaswini Hospital. There are no prizes or anything, and just come enjoy a quiz and we can go back. Thank you everyone. Yeah, sure.
The first state ranking quiz was conducted by us in the year 1988 on the same hall. It was a state ranking quiz, and maybe that you have revived it. It will definitely go to great heights. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Go ahead. You all the best. Congratulations for all the prize winners, and thank you, Dr. Uday Shetty, for giving you the prizes. Over to Sneh.
Can I have register number MQLS00271? Who is 271? You are 271. Please come forward. And MQLS00226. 226 and 227. No, 27. 226. You are 226. Come. And before I call upon the 6 finalists, this is one last time we are asking for this. Please raise your hands if you think you have 12 or above. 12 is the cutoff in this quiz. Once again, all teams, those who feel you have got 12 or above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 teams think you are 12 or above. Okay. So, 226, you are 226. You are 226. Which college? Okay. How many points you think? Okay. And what about you? As of now, both teams has got 12 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fine. So we'll have a tie. We'll have a tiebreaker to decide who among you will move to the finals. Can you be on stage? 00226 and 00271. One of you move to that side, one of you move to this side. Maybe you can occupy B and E in the middle, please. Take your mic, get your buzzers ready. Team B, please press the buzzer and introduce yourself through the mic.
I'm Shreyas and this is Shardul and we're from Loot Central School.
Loot Central School. That is Team B. Why don't you give a round of applause to these guys? And Team E. Once again, introduce.
I'm Mahesh.
Yeah, that is not working. Once again. So basically, we are asking you to introduce just to ensure that sound quality is good.
And he is Parikshit. We are from KVG Dental College.
KVG Dental, you are BDA students. Okay, good. So, applause please. Now, one of you will be playing the finals. Okay. So, rule is like this. I'll keep on explaining some question, or I'll keep on giving clues. You can press the buzzer. Whoever presses the buzzer will get a chance to answer. You're giving me a right answer means you are in. You're giving me a wrong answer means the other team is in. Fine? Got it? Hit or miss. Okay. I'm going to give clues about a particular person. You have to identify this person. I hope you will keep quiet. Clue number 1 to identify this person is the one who standardized the British postal system. This is the same person who made many inventions, and one of them being a cow catcher. That device that you see in front of a train to get unwanted things removed from track. That is called a cow catcher. The person who standardized the British postal system, who invented the cow catcher, is also the same person who has invented one of the earliest forms of a medical ophthalmoscope. No? This is a name that you are hearing at least since your primary classes. Such a famous scientist he is. Because the scientist, we all know him because of the father of, or known as the father of something.
Hippocrates.
Press the buzzer if you have to answer.
Hippocrates.
Wait. Team E answers.
Hippocrates.
Hippocrates. What made you answer Hippocrates?
Actually, I did not know correctly, but he is the father of medicine. He is the father of medical science, so I thought he might be the...
So you seriously think the instrument like cow catcher, ophthalmoscope and all existed during that time? British postal system. What do you think now? No, right? So that was a good attempt, but Hippocrates is not the right answer. Hippocrates existed far before than that. So naturally, team B qualifies. Both of you come forward. Please come. So the tie has been resolved. They are in. And the right answer is? Right answer is? Yeah. Charles Babbage, who is known as father of computers. That's the right answer. This was Charles Babbage who invented ophthalmoscope and standardized British postal system. But these guys deserve a loud round of applause. They just missed it. It was not your day. That's all. Just come forward. No issues at all. And please, sir, please note down their names. They have to be given prizes. Huh? So we have 6 teams ready. Can I have the other answer sheets? Can I have the names of other finalists? Yeah, and they are 226 or what? This team? Your register number? 271. This is the paper. Can I have the other 5? Yes. Team Prithvi represented by. Wait. Once again, the teams are given the names of 6 missiles of India. You will see the team name over there. Give us 30 seconds. Team Prithvi represented by Rakshit Kumar J and Pratnya Hebba. Where are you? Yeah, that is Team A. In that order you can occupy. And loud round of applause to these teams. Rakshit Kumar and Pratnya. And we have team number 2, that is, what is the name of team number 2? Nag, represented by Preetham Upadhyay and Prithvi Montero. Loud round of applause. Team 3 is Agni, represented by Amit MB and Guru Kumar. Please make it fast, little bit faster. Team Agni on stage. And this is team 4, Brahmos, Sri Harsha and Sri Ram. Please rush to your seats. You have to save every second now after. Please rush to your seats. Team Brahmos, Sri Harsha and Sri Ram. And we have Team Akash, Roland Gomez and Sri Krishna. This is not a loud round of applause. You have to give them a loud round of applause. They are players. They are champion players of the day. And Dhanush, represented by Shreyash and Shardul. Yes. So, we are reached the finals of Netravati Express now. Guys, ready? Please keep your mobile phones away. Are you given a piece of paper to write something? Can we give blank papers? You are given the papers, and I'll explain the rules of round number 1. Round number 1, you'll be having 6 questions. I request please keep your mobile phones away. round 1 will be having 6 questions only. First question will be to team 1 or team A, I will call you. The same time, if you answer it right, 10 points to you, plus 10 to you. If you are giving a wrong answer or a pass, it will reach B. If B is giving the right answer, that means 10 points to B. So rule number 1, 10 points for every question. Whether it's a direct question or a pass question, that's a 10 pointer. Rule number 1, we have something called pouncing. So that means for question number 1 of team A, any of you can press the buzzer and take a risk. You press the buzzer and write your answer, I'll come to you. And if it's right, plus 10. If it's wrong, minus 10. Plus 10, minus 10. That's the points on the pounds. Any number of teams can pounce, but only 1 pounds allowed per question in this round. Are you familiar with bouncing and pouncing, all 6 teams? Any doubts? For any question, you can take a risk. You press the buzzer and write the answer. I'll come to you. If you are right, plus 10. If you are wrong, minus 10. And I continue the quiz. Yeah. You can use the mic so that everyone will get benefited. Yep. Yep. Please on it. Huh.
After you set the question, till what time will you?
While I read the question itself, you can decide whether you should pounce or not. Once I read out the question, that is over. That's the last second for pouncing. So before I read out, you can press it. Press it and write it there. So before I come to you, you should get your answers ready. Press the buzzer means no delay. If you delay, that will be a minus 10 immediately. That's a rule on the buzzers. We'll be pretty strict on this. And again, we have to maintain the time. We are running short of time now. So it will be very quick on this round. 6 questions, bounce and bounce. Plus 10, minus 10. And whoever answers through the mic, suppose the first question is answered by team 3 through the mic, they will get 10 points. And next question will be bouncing back to the next team. Team D will get the next question. If nobody answers, I'll give it to the audience again. And next question will be to the same team. If nobody answers, that means that's a tough question. Fine. Anyway, it doesn't matter much because for every question you have the chance to pounce. Here we go. Netravati Express, final round. Round number 1. Question number 1 to team A. Here. So, go back. Yes, here. This is question number 1. You have to identify a person who worked for Habitat, who worked for PricewaterhouseCoopers, and her first job was that of a salesperson at Habitat. This is London's Oxford Street you're seeing there. She worked for PricewaterhouseCoopers, did her PhD dissertation on Indo-European textile trade. She holds a key position in India, who also started a school in India for the underprivileged children. A lot of clues to identify this person. And direct question to team 1. And who pressed the buzzer? Team B pressing the buzzer. Anyone else? No, we have only pounds by team B. Just close it properly and don't look at their answers. You can look there, close it properly. And we are starting the quiz with team A. Please take the mic. And for every question, please say legibly either a pass or an answer, whatever it is, through the mic. And please consider these people who are sitting there. You have to play considering them. Yeah, please take the mic. Team A.
Nita Ambani.
Nina Ambani.
Nita
Ambani is the answer by team A. I'm passing it to team C because team B already pounced. Yeah, no more time on a pass question. You can give me an answer or a pass. This is for every teams. Through the mic?
We'll pass.
Passing to team D. And please, no more discussion for a pass question. You can answer. Yeah.
Pass.
Passing to team E. Even if it's a pass, say clearly or legibly, then there are chances that you get points for that. Yeah.
Indra Nui.
Once again, Indra Nui of Pepsi. Not Indra Nui. Team F.
Sudhamurthy.
Sudhamurthy of Infosys, right? Is it over? We started with you. So the very first question reaching the audience. We have volunteers over here? Yep. Yep. Gentlemen, what's your answer? Nirmala Sitharaman. Huh? Is this Nirmala Sitharaman? No, this is not Nirmala Sitharaman. This is not Nirmala Sitharaman. But team B answered Nirmala Sitharaman. This is Nirmala Sitharaman. And that's the right answer. 10 points to team B. And you get a prize. Just note down his name. Nirmala Sitharaman was the person we are talking about. So 10 points to team B. B starting with a 10-pointer. Since nobody answered it through the mic, I'll give the next chance again to team A. Question number 2 to team A. Look at your screens. Yes. Very easy one. I think almost 6 of you can answer this. First ever hydroelectric plant in India was to provide electricity to this region. Swarna Express is a passenger train that connects this place to Mangaluru and region owned by BGML, believed to be one of the deepest one of its kind in the world. Identify the region. Direct to team 1 once again. And we have pawns from team B, team C and team E. 3 teams? Yes. Team B, can you show yes? And team C, team E. All 3 should be connected to your answer, not just 1 or 2. I think some of you mess with your answers. We can have multiple answers if only one part is considered. We have another answers if 2 parts are considered, but all 3 should be specifically connected to this particular answer. So we'll start with team 1. Team A, what is your answer?
Kolar Goldfield.
Once again?
Kolar Goldfield.
Kolar Goldfields or KGF is the right answer. 10 points to team A this time once again. This is Kolar Goldfields and that is unfortunately a minus 10 to team C and a minus 10 to team E. This is Kolar Goldfield. We have the movie KGF, right? So whenever you see movies and whatever connected to you, that can be made as a question in some way or other. That's the point in this question. So 10 points to team A and 10 points to team B. Who is keeping the scores? Yes. So this is plus 10 to team A, plus 10 to team B, minus 10 to team C and minus 10 to team E. This is KGF or Kolar Goldfields. So through the mic, team A gave me an answer. So next chance, direct question to team B. This is KGF. Yes. Another easy one. This person rose to popularity in small screen with the reality show Indian and is also a VJ in Raj Music. What is so unique about this lady who even recorded more than 50 lakh views for one of your videos that got uploaded in YouTube? I don't want you to name the lady, just identify what is so unique about this lady. Direct to team B. Please don't shout the answer, I'll come to you. Team B can answer this time. Anyone on the buzzer? No one on the buzzer. Team B. You can start it. Yes. And all teams get ready. Yes, team B, what's your answer?
So she's a female bodybuilder, so we're saying like the first Indian female like professional bodybuilder type thing.
First Indian professional bodybuilder. What's her name?
What's her name? Do you know her name? No, not sure of the name. Don't remember.
You're not sure about the name, but you're sure that this is the first Indian bodybuilder.
Indian female bodybuilder.
First Indian female bodybuilder. Loud round of applause to team B. That's not the right answer. Passing to team C.
Pass.
Passing to team D.
Pass.
Passing to team E. Take a guess. Don't hesitate. All this will happen in quizzing. Yeah.
She is from LGBT community.
She is from LGBT community. So what is so special about her? You think only one is the... Yeah, make your answer. Be very specific. If you want points, you have to be specific. She is from LGBT community. Pass. Huh? Team F. Yeah. First?
First transgender DJ.
First? Yeah. Come out.
Yeah, first transgender VJ.
First transgender VJ. That was the way this should have been answered, but not the right answer. Team A. Through the mic, please.
Pass.
Passing. And we started with you, right? So nobody getting it right. This is a very much Mangaluru question. Yeah. There we have a lady to answer. Let her answer. Yeah. What is it? Yeah, you can shout. You can shout your answer. What is her name? Yeah, this is Sushma Raj. Can I have the answer? This is the first lady. Tiger dancer, tiger dancer. She belongs to Dakshin Kannada only, right? What is her native place? You know this lady? Udupi. Yeah, Udupi district. Sorry. This is Sushma Raj. So, nobody getting it right. And next question direct to team B once again, since nobody got it right. Question number 4. Director Brendan Green, producer Chang Han Kim, designer Brendan Green. So what is this that is said to have inspired from this movie? This is the movie that you're seeing, the Japanese movie Battle Royale is the name of the movie, BR. What has been famously inspired from this movie and was directed and designed by Brendan Green and produced by Chang Han Kim? Direct to team B. Nobody trying it on the buses? You sure? You don't want it? Team F? No pouncing. Yep.
Hunger Games.
Once again?
Hunger Games.
Loudly.
Hunger Games.
Ungle Games.
Hunger Games.
Ungle Games. Passing to team C. We have some audio problem. Some answers are very audible. That's your team C. Say pass. Play the game. No head shakes, please. Team D.
Pass.
Pass. Passing to team E.
Pass.
Passing to team F.
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones is not the right answer. Passing to team A.
Pass.
Once again, we won't accept head shakes. If it's a pass, say pass. But I request you to take guesses. Because they have already started with something. Audience, yeah. Yeah. Make it fast. Come fast and grab it. Your name?
PUBG. My name is Samrat Shetty.
And the answer is?
PUBG.
Answer is PUBG. Yes, this is PUBG only. Unfortunately, this is such an easy one. I thought all of you could have cracked this. This PUBG has been inspired by this movie Battle Royale. And these are the people behind PUBG. So nobody getting it right. I thought this is the easiest one for you guys. Team B, your chance once again. Question number 5, please. Easiest one in this set. This is a gentleman called Harry Pickup, and something that has been famously started by Harry Pickup is now owned by this company, Rakit Bankizer Group, and have the tagline health, hygiene and home. What are we talking about? This is one such question that you feel so bad that you missed it. Close it properly. Yep. Team A has answered. And direct question to team B again. Please take the mic. Yes?
Pepsodent?
Pepsodent is not the answer I'm looking for. Passing to team C.
Pass.
Passing to team D.
Pass.
Passing to team E. I wonder why don't you guys take random guesses? You reached the finals only because you bothered to take guesses. So don't pass. Try to give answers.
The company GSK, GlaxoSmithKline.
Not GSK. Passing to team F. Because quizzing is basically sharing of information. Don't say pass for everything. Only if you think you don't have anything to answer, say pass. This is about a brand or something started. So you have 10 answers to guess. Yep, team E.
Lifebuoy.
Lifebuoy, not Lifebuoy. Team A, you gave me an answer, and we started with team B, again reaching the audience. So surprised to see this. Yep. Lot of hands over there. Please don't shout the answer. Yeah. This time we are giving it to you. Answer please, Mridul. Harry Pickup. HAR for Harry, PIC for Pickup. So 100% of the answer was straight in front of you. All about observation. And loud round of applause to team A. Getting it right, 10 points. And boss, you got it right? Good. And the last question in this round. Yep. Frequently asked question, it seems. When you enter Delhi airport, I need a very specific answer for this. Don't get me generic answers. You'll be greeted by this 12-piece artwork. What are they trying to demonstrate? One single answer. Direct question to team B again. No need to break it up. Just press once. I'll come to you. Team A. Team B. You're not bouncing. You're direct. Team C. And team D. E. Don't write essays and all. Just give me one answer. Yes. Okay. So all 5 teams pawns. So that means team B is going to answer it straight away. Answer?
Surya Namaskar.
Surya Namaskara is the right answer. These are the different poses of Surya Namaskara. So all 6 teams getting it right. Loud round of applause for all the teams. 10 points to team A, 10 to team B, 10 to team C, 10 to team D, E, and F. With that, we come to the end of round number 1. And moving to the most exciting round of the quiz, that's a buzzer round. Fingers on your buzzers, please. Rules are like this. Plus 10 for a right answer. Minus 10 for a delayed answer. Minus 10 for an explanatory answer. Minus 10 for multiple answers. And of course, minus 10 for wrong answers. Delayed answer, multiple answer, explanatory answer. Everything will get minus 10. And you can try any number of times. You press the buzzer and give me an answer. But always keep this in mind. Suppose I'll display the photograph of Mahatma Gandhi over there. So immediately after seeing the picture, you press the buzzer and say Mahatma Gandhi. Question could be something like which is the birthplace. So that will be a minus 10. So I'll again tell which is the birth. So again you press the buzzer and say Porbandar. My question will be something else, which is the new name of Porbandar. So that will be a minus 10 again. So any number of times you can score minus 10 in this round. Only once you will get a plus 10. Huh? Clear? You can have multiple attempts. I'll keep on giving clues. But some questions could be googly. I'll just show a picture of Aishwarya Rai and ask you who is this. So you can expect anything. That variation is the beauty of this buzzer round. So it could be a very tough question, it could be a very easy question, but normally all the answers are very easy. Shall we go? Once again, I request you guys to support these 6 finalists. And on your buzzers, and don't keep on pressing the buzzers. Only one team will get it right. The system will automatically cancel all other attempts, and only after this team answers, and only after I say whether it's right or wrong, then will be open to all 6 teams. So don't press in between. Clear? Here we go. Buzzer round. Question number 1. If you have an answer, you can try it and get your plus 10 right straight away. Varanasi is what you see there. And this is a particular location called Fool Back. Someone jumped from this place on the horse back. Yes, team B going for it. What's your answer?
Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Rani Lakshmi Bai, right answer. 10 points to team B this time. Good going. Rani Lakshmi Bai is famously associated with a place called Fool Back. 10 points to team B. Question number 2. Yes. This airport has been dubbed as the most dangerous airport in the world. For the last 25 years or so, this airport is first in the list of most dangerous airports. This is situated near Nepal. Yep, I mean in Nepal. Your team A can go for it. I want the exact name of the airport.
Tribhuvan International Airport.
Tribhuvan International Airport is the wrong answer. That is a minus 10 to team A, and B on the buzzer.
Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary International Airport.
Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary International Airport. Seriously, there is an airport by that name?
It serves Mount Everest. So.
Is the right answer. That is Mount Everest, and this is Tenzing Norgay and Hillary International Airport. Good going, Pritham. 10 points to team B. The airport is called Tenzing Hillary Airport. What you're seeing on the back was Mount Everest. So team B getting 10 points, team A getting a minus 10 for that. Next one. It's already there, team. Go for it. These 2 stamps honor a particular person. Yes, on the buzzer, team A only. Who is the person being honored in these stamps?
Lal Bahadur Shastri for Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan is the right answer. This is Lal Bahadur Shastri only. That was Jai Jawan series of stamps and the other one Jai Kisan series of stamps. 10 points to team A. Question number 4. Yes, White Star Line is the name of the company. You have to identify the most famous product of White Star Line company, and team B going for it again. What is this?
Titanic.
Titanic was manufactured by White Star Line company. Is the right answer. 10 points. Titanic was famously manufactured by this company called White Star Line company. Belfast. 10 points to team B. We have the penultimate question. Go for it. Yes, on the buzzer this time. Team B again.
Pi.
March 14 is?
Pi day.
Can you explain your answer?
3.14. March is third month. 14 is.
Pi is 3.14. And if you write that way, that is 14th March. So that is International Pi Day. We have one more day that is observed as Pi Day. 22nd, that is 22 by 7 is also Pi Day. But this is about Pi Day only. 10 points to Team B. This is International Pi Day. 3.14, that is the value of pi. And the last question in this round, here. Yeah. Anyone? This gentleman in the picture, I have no idea who is this gentleman in the picture. This is not about this gentleman. This is about a state in India that has decided to give an allowance called mustache element for the policemen, because they feel that having such a body feature will give a tough look to the policemen. So they started giving allowance. Which state in India we are talking about? Indian state? One of the biggest states in India? Bigger ones, think of bigger ones. Go for it. Yes, Team F.
Karnataka.
Not Karnataka. This is not Karnataka. Minus 10 this time. Yes.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan is also the wrong answer. The state was in news following elections. On the buzzer, Team A.
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh, we had an election recently. Yes, we had an election. 10 points. Madhya Pradesh is the right answer. 10 points to Team A. And with that, we come to the end of round number 1. We have an audience question for you, I think. We're supposed to ask a question based on Mangaluru, but then we have placed it in the next quiz. I hope all of you will participate in the other quiz as well. So for this one, who can answer? This is a spoon introduced by Google to help patients suffering from a particular disorder. Yes, we have a hand there. There. Yep. Through the mic, your name, your institution, and the answer.
I'm Amrit Rodriguez from St. Aloysius. And I think this is for Parkinson's disease.
What made you think so?
Because they shake their hands when they feed themselves.
Parkinson's patient, they will shake their hands and we have to stabilize that.
Yeah.
Is the right answer. Parkinson's disease is the right answer and he deserves a praise. With that, we come to the end of round number 2. Can we have the scores at this moment? And please get ready with round number 3. Team A leading with Team A is at 40 points. Team B currently leading with 70 points. Team C is at minus 10. Handshakes, I mean the applause should not be directly proportional to the points. They all deserve a loud round of applause. Huh? Team D getting a plus 10. Team E is yet to open your account and Team F is yet to open your account. You have opened your account but account has been cancelled. Now you're at 0. Now you're at 0. Round number 3. We'll start with Team F. We'll go in the anti-clockwise manner. Here we go. Question number 1. Just like round number 1, we'll have bounce and pounce. Exactly like that of round number 1. We'll be having 5 questions in this round, I think. 5 or 6 maybe. Question number 1. Member of Mussolini's Grand Council of Fascism and served as President of National Research Council and Royal Academy of Italy. We all know this person because of the inventor of something which was once common in our households. Identify the person. So direct to Team F, you please wait. And we have a pounce from Team E. I want to identify this person. Who? That is the question. Just see the question properly. Who? What is the answer? You haven't pressed. Make sure you are very... I won't be liberal next time. Press the buzzer, give me an answer, means I will consider that one. Team C is bouncing. Where is the answer? Okay. You're not bouncing? Okay. So direct to Team F. Who is this person?
Guglielmo Marconi.
Marconi is the inventor of
Radio.
E is the right answer. 10 points. This is Marconi only, and 10 points to team F, 10 points to team E, and we have 10 points to team B and 10 points to team C. Right? B, C, E, and F getting 10 points. Question number 2. This is a direct question to you, team E. Lot of awards. Karnataka State Government's D. Devaraj Award, Kitturani Chennamma Award, Rajyotsava Award, National Citizens Award, Honorary Doctorate from Tumkur University. In 2018, country's 4th highest award for civilians. Who is the person? On the buzzer. Who pressed the buzzer? B pressing the buzzer and E pressing the buzzer. You need not press the buzzer. This is your direct question. Anyone else? Only B pressing the buzzer. This is your direct question. Team E. Who is this person?
Virendra Hegde.
Huh?
Virendra Hegde.
Who was
Dr.
he?
Virendra Hegde.
Who was the person?
Sir?
Tell something about the person.
Well, he got Padma Shri Award in 2018.
Huh.
He is the Dharmadhikari of Dharmasthala. And
Agree everything, but this is not the person I'm looking for. Passing to team D.
Dr. Shivakumar Swamiji.
Passing to team C. Just take the guess. Why can't you name a person? Why should you pass for questions like this?
Salumarada Timmakka. Salumarada Timmakka.
Who is the person?
She planted around thousands of trees across Karnataka, and she took care of them like her children.
Okay, we started with you, right? No, we started with you. What's your answer, team F?
Nandan Nilekani.
Huh?
Nandan Nilekani.
Over to the audience. To the person. Yeah, this is a person. Yeah, sir. You read today's newspaper? It's the right answer. This person is prominently featured in today's newspaper. This is Narasamma. And yeah, we deserve a praise. Of course, he deserves a praise. And please explain, sir.
Check. We are honored to have Sri Rashid Bodar, stakeholder of and Lakshadweep tourism in mainland. Please come, sir. It's
Why
my
don't
honor
you
to-
give him
my
a
honor.
loud round of applause for that answer? Yeah. And this is the only team that got it right. 10 points to team B.
So it's my privilege to hand over the prize to sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Question number 3. Since you answered, this is your direct question. On the pond. So, this was your direct question? This was your direct question? Okay, so your direct question again. In Himalayas and surrounding places, we have certain places called Zosila, Kardungla, Nathula, Shangri-La. What is the English equivalent for the word La? Direct question to team A. So, A, B, and E, F trying for that. What is your answer? Team E.
Pass.
Passing to team D.
Sir, answer is pass.
Answer is pass. That's the right answer. I'm not passing to team D. Answer is pass. 10 points to team E, 10 points to team A, and 10 points to team D. I'm sorry, guys, the answer was pass. 10 points to team A, 10 points to team B, and 10 points to team E. 10 points to team F as well. Linju, please note. A, B, E, and F getting 10 points each. And question number 4. Kala Bhairavudu. That is the famous work by this person. He was a treasury officer in Visakhapatnam. In 1962, the Indian Sino War happened, and he composed something with the idea to instill patriotism among the people of his village, and was later recognized by the government of India. What has been composed by this person? Direct to team D this time. On the buzzer, we have team B. Anyone else? No. So, question to team D. What has been famously composed by this person?
Pass.
Passing to team C. Yes, yes.
Pass.
Passing to team A.
The pledge, the Indian pledge which we take.
Once again.
The Indian pledge.
The Indian national pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. And who is this person? This is Paidimari Venkata Subbarao, and 10 points to team A. He is the author of national pledge, and 10 points to team B as well. Where is the applause? 10 points to team A, 10 points to team B, and direct to team F. This time I'm looking for the name of a city or a town, earlier known as Purik. Name of the place is said to be derived from the words meaning castle and center, because this was a place between castles, as the place lay between many kingdoms. Strategically important city on the banks of river Suru. If you are good in geography, rivers and riverside cities, you should get this easily. Direct to team E, and we have a pounds from team B. And team F, you want pounds? I mean, direct to team F, right? Okay, answer. Yes, question is about a town in India. Please take the mic. Time is up. Take the guess, man. Take the guess. Random town. At least say Mangaluru. Passing to team E.
Prayag.
Not Prayag. Passing to team D. Just keep on giving guesses. This is, at least for a second, we'll be able to think of that thing you're saying. That should be the power of quizzing. Team D.
Udaipur.
Not Udaipur. We have the famous Lake Palace there, right? Team C. What is this?
Pass.
How? What make you say pass? Indian city or town, you have thousands of guesses to take.
Kuttanad.
Kuttanad in Kerala. Not Kuttanad. Start with you. Yeah. Who wants this? Yes. It's all yours. No. I'm looking for the name of a town. Kargil is the right answer. Strategically important town. That was the clue in the question. So team B getting it right once again. Good going. Do we have one more question in this round? Yes, the last one. First conceived by Ramamurthy, a writer, journalist and social activist, often considered as a commander of Kannada movement in 1960s. In 2009, then Chief Minister Yediyurappa issued a circular enforcing restriction on using this at government buildings. So this is one among many things about this thing. There are a lot of other things. What is being asked? Direct to team B and D pressing the buzzers. This is your direct question, it seems. Team B. Okay. Okay, fine. So team E, C, B. 3 teams pounds, and direct to team F, right? Yeah. What is this?
BD.
BD. Not BD. Team D. Passing to team A.
Restriction of use of Kannada, of English in
English as
building.
official language. Yeah. No. Audience. Yes. Is the right answer. This is the flag of Karnataka that was proposed. This was the person who put forward that. Huh? So 10 points to team B, 10 points to team C, and 10 points to team E. 3 teams got it right. I'm very happy to see that. And we are moving to the penultimate round of... Sorry, we are having one more round, one more buzzer round. Same rules, plus 10, minus 10. On the buzzer, question number 1. Yes, what has been introduced? What term in the fitness world traces its origin? Team B.
Six pack.
Six pack, you're seeing six pack over there. This is six pack. This is the origin of the term six pack. Coca-Cola introduced cartons of 6 bottles. 10 points to team B. Question number 2. Yes, any attempts? What in India is observed every year on the birthday of this gentleman? Team E.
National Sports Day.
Is the right answer. This is Dhyan Chand and his birthday is observed as National Sports Day. 10 points to team E. Question number 3. Identify the lady. Yes, team A.
Shakuntala Devi.
Shakuntala Devi, the human supercomputer of India. Shakuntala Devi. 10 points to team A. Question number 4. I'm looking for the name of a company. And this person has been appointed as the Chief Grievance Officer of this company. Chief Grievance Officer. If ever you have any issues while using this particular service or product, you can complain to this lady called Komal Lahiri. This is Komal Lahiri. It's a service. I'm sure all 12 of you might be using this service on a daily basis. Something from the field of telecommunication or communication in particular. Team E going for it. Yeah.
Airtel.
Not Airtel. Go for it. Something all of you might be using on a daily basis. You think all 12 of you are using Airtel? Chances are there that some other service providers are also there, right? So this has been started by 2 gentlemen. 2 gentlemen started this company. Yes, go for it.
WhatsApp.
This is WhatsApp. 10 points. WhatsApp has been, WhatsApp selected Komal Lahiri as the Chief Grievance Officer for India. 10 points. And question number 5. Identify the person being most proud of the dedication of Indian Air Force. That is his Twitter. Team B, again.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. This is Sachin while he was in Air Force. 10 points. And perhaps the last question. Do we have one more? Yeah. The round is over. Moving to the penultimate round or quickly moving to the penultimate round. We'll have the scores. And we have a question for the audience. Get the scores ready. Okay. Team A with 70 points. Loudly, please. Team B with 160 points. Team C with 10 points. And Team D with 10 points. Team E with 30 points. And Team F with 20 points. This is the scores as of now. Okay, yep. So here's a question for the audience, exclusively for the audience. Please raise your hands immediately. Which place in India was formerly known as Sudhamapuri, named after the character Sudhama, the friend of Sri Krishna? Indian city. No? Yeah. Porbandar, right answer. Yep. Name loudly. Shreyang from? He deserves a praise. This is Porbandar. We have one more question for the audience. Okay. Yeah. Huh? Can they have an extra sheet, please? Extra sheet. Which game was formerly known as? We have an audience question here. Identify the person in question. This is Mr. Mahadev Nambiar. He is studying in Delhi. There is another person posing along with him. And there you can find the person. Someone is feeding ice cream to a person. Identify that person. Or you can even identify both persons because both are part of history in India. And the person on your right has started this thing.
P.T. Usha.
And who is the other person? He is the first person in India to win Dronacharya Award. That is O.M. Nambiar, the coach of P.T. Usha. And Usha School of Athletics this is. So don't grab all prizes. Yeah, that is the that is the person. That is the person. Mahadev number. Yo, we'll have the penultimate round now. What is this? Round number 5. This is a written round. Okay, this is a written theme round. So you can write your answers, 10 points for each question, and if you get the theme right in the first question itself, you'll be getting 40 points. If you get the theme in the second question, that will be 30. Theme in the third question, 20. Theme in the fourth question, 10. Theme in the fifth question, 5. Fine. You can go for the theme at any point of time, any number of times. Yeah, whenever you are wrong with the theme, whatever points at stake divided by 2, that will be the negatives. So for a 40 pointer, minus 20. No negative for individual questions. So written round, write all 5 answers one after one. Then we will evaluate. Question number 1.
Home. And then the caller insisted that I visit the patient, saying that it might perhaps transform my life.
Yeah, that's enough, that's enough.
And that patient happens to be...
Question number 1, identify the person and identify the organization associated with the person.
ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ತ್ರಿತ್ವಮುಖವಾದ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭವದೊತ್ತಾದೆ ಭವದ ಬಿತ್ತಾದೆ ರುದದ ಚಿತ್ತಾದೆ ನೀ ಇಳೆದು ಬಾ ಇಳೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಿತಾ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ.
Number 2, identify the author. Identify the author. This is number 2, identify the author. Number 1, you need to write 2 answers, person and the organization. Number 2, identify the author. Number 3, please.
Professor, I was also reading about about you as a child. You had a very nurturing environment.
Just identify the person.
Parents encouraged academics.
Not this person, the other one.
And it wasn't just science. It was the languages. It was the arts as well. How did that contribute to this urge to learn? Because that has been
yes, that's enough. That's enough. Identify the person on your left. Yep. Next one. Just simply identify the person. Number 4. That is number 4. You will see more of it. Is that enough? Yes. Who pressed the buzzer? You're going for the theme. Okay. Now you are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 40, 30, 20, 10. Plus 10 if you are right, minus 5 if you are wrong. Okay, close it. Let's see. Next one. You're going for the theme. Write the answer, don't shout it, because the chance is still open for other teams. Next one. Next one, last one. So, theme is close. This was the last one. Do we have an audio for this? Just see whether we have an audio. Okay, fair enough. 4 questions. Can we exchange? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3 exchange. D, E, and F exchange. Yeah, you can exchange. Give it to D. And give it to F. Just do one more time. It's over. Yeah. So, first one. What was the first one? What was the first video? Devi Shetty and the organization. Narayana Hridayalaya. 5 points each. 5 points for Devi Shetty, 5 points for Narayana Hridayalaya. And this one. Author.
ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ತ್ರಿತ್ವಮುಖವಾದ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭವದೊತ್ತಾದೆ ಭವದ ಬಿತ್ತಾದೆ ರುದದ ಚಿತ್ತಾದೆ ನೀ.
This is by the first person who has won Jnanapida for Karnataka or Kannada language. Kuvambu. This was by Kuvambu. Next one.
Professor, I was also reading about...
this is CNR Rao. CNR Rao.
As a child.
Not this one, the other one. This one.
Nurturing.
Next one. This is Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. So 4 answers. 5 points for the first, 5 each for the first one. 10, 10, 10. Team A, what's your score? Let me see. Team A getting 10 points for Sienna Rao, 10 points for Bhimsen Joshi. So total 20 points, but you attempted the theme and you're wrong. That is a -5. So that is altogether 15 points. 15 to Team A. Team B, your answers, let me see. Devi Prasad Shetty, not Prasad Netrale, so 5 points. Then Sienna Rao 10, 15. Bhimsen Joshi 10, 25. You tried the theme? No. So 25 to Team B. Yeah, please do that. Really appreciate that. 10 points for Sienna Rao, 10 points for Bhimsen Joshi. 20 points to Team C. Team D, you have Sienna Rao, 10 points. And you tried the theme in the 4th question. So that's a -5. So altogether 5 to Sienna Rao. That's not the theme. 5 points to Team D. Your answers? Bhimsen Joshi 5, Bhimsen Joshi 10, Sienna Rao 10, 20, and -5 for the team. 15. 15 to Team E and Team F. 5 plus 10, 15, plus 10, 25, plus 10, 35. Oh, cool. You tried the theme? No. So 35 to Team F. So what was the theme? Theme, please. Anyone trying the theme? No, that's not the theme I'm looking for. This is the theme. So there is this award called Karnataka Ratna Award. Only 9% has got this award so far. Karnataka Ratna. These are the persons who got Karnataka Ratna Award, not Bharat Ratna. I don't think Kuambu has got Bharat Ratna. So Karnataka Ratna was the theme I was looking for. An audience question before we go to the last buzzer round. Maybe we'll finish in 2 to 3 minutes. What game is this? What game traces its origin to the story of Abhimanyu breaking the Chakravyuha in Mahabharata? This is said to be the origin of which game in India? Yep. Here. Through the mic, please.
Snake and ladder.
Not snake and ladder, that's Moksha Pada. Kabaddi is the right answer. Kabaddi. Good show, boss. This is Kabaddi. So the movements of Kabaddi is said to have originated. And can we have the last round? Yes, we have the scores. Team A is at 70 points. Still at 70. No, wait. We have one more round here. 85. Team A is at 85 points. Team B is at 185 points. Team C is at 30 points. Team D is at 15 points. Team E is at 45 points. And Team F is at 55 points. Last round, 6 questions, 5 questions? 6 questions. So rules are like this. You press the buzzer in the first clue. This is a clue round. You press the buzzer in the first clue and give me a right answer. That will be a 25 pointer, 25. And if you are wrong, that is 20 points. Plus 25 minus 20. Press the buzzer and give me a right answer in the second clue. That is 20 points if you are right, minus 15 if you are wrong. Press the buzzer in the third clue and give me a right answer. That is 15 points if you are right, minus 10 if you are wrong. 25, 20, 15. Minus 20, minus 15, minus 10. Fine? You can score as many as 125 points in this round if you press the buzzer in the first clue and give me a right answer. And this is a bonus question for you. Anyone can try. Plus 10 if you are right, minus 5 if you are wrong. I'm looking for the name of that point. You can see parts of sail and some that is pointing out to a particular point in the foot. What is the term given to that part, which is phonetically same as that of this thing you're seeing on your right. This is a story of Daedalus who got inside the maze. And this lady has given that particular ball of thread to help him come out of the maze. So what is the name given to that particular ball of thread, which is phonetically same as that of this part of the sail? Give me one word. What is the name given to that ball of thread? That's basically the answer. This ball of thread helps someone who got inside the maze. This ball of thread will help that person to come out. That is the thing. So what is the term given to this? Close it properly. Only team B tried it. Audience? Only one hand for this. Yep. Not yarn. This is called clue. This is the origin of the word clue. We are having the clue round, last round. Huh? So loud round of applause to team B. They got it right. 10 points again. The other part of the sail is called a clue. C-L-E-W. So last round, 3 clues for every question. 10 points. 10 points. 3 clues for every question. Clue number 1. Question number 1. Very easy one to start with. You can score 25 points for the second line of national defense after regular army. Go for it. 25 if you are right. Minus 20 if you are wrong. Press the buzzer. Plus 25, minus 20. Or wait for the second clue. Oh, you're not waiting for the second clue. Team E taking a risk. Yes.
Border Security Force.
Border Security Force. BSF. What are you looking at? Yeah, do that, do that. This is a very brave attempt by Team E. But unfortunately, that's a wrong answer. That's a minus 20 for Team E. The applause is for attempting that. You attempted that bravely. Next one. You can still try. Clue number 2. Clue number 2. Formally inaugurated on October 9th in 1949. Here, volunteers apply for a short period of training every year so as to be ready to tackle any emergency situation or to serve for the defense of India. On the bus, team C, what's your answer for 20 points?
Territorial Army.
Territorial Army. What was your points?
30.
30. And this was a 20-pointer, right? Third clue. What are you saying though? This breed of dogs are called terriers, and Territorial Army is nicknamed as terriers. So 20 points to Team C. That's the right answer. Territorial Army. Fetches you full 20 points. Question number 2 that was, question number 1 that was. Question number 2, easy one. Anyone can score 25 in this first clue. Here we go. Calcutta, April 1, 1935. Yes. Team B. No chance for anyone else. Yes.
Reserve Bank of India.
Reserve Bank of India is the right answer. This is the third clue was the photograph of one moher coin of British East India Company. So Reserve Bank of India got its logo from this particular coin. Moher, one moher. 25 points to Team B. Question number 3. Clue number 1. This person contested in the Lok Sabha seat for Northeast Bombay as an independent candidate against Krishna Menon, V.K. Krishna Menon and J.B. Kripalani. But this person, Team B going for it again for 25 points. Who is this person?
Kariappa.
Field Marshal K.M. Kariappa.
Yeah.
You think he contested in the elections? Clue number 2. Retirement in 1953, he served as the Indian High Commissioner to Australia and New Zealand. You still think this is Kariappa? We have his visual. Now you think it's Kariappa? You think? Is this K.M. Kariappa playing cricket? That's from the BCCI site. You want to change your answer? Yeah.
Patodi?
We don't have an option to change the answer in QC. Because K.M. Kariappa is the right answer. That is a 25-pointer to Team B, and this is K.M. Kariappa only. Great answer. Plus 25 to Team B. And question number 4. This person loved poetry, dancing, cycling, and running. Used to take part at sports events. Invariably first in all the races. Often played badminton and dodgeball. Person. Very, very famous person from India. Nobody taking a risk, it seems. Clue number 2, please. This person is a clue to identify this person in question. I'm not looking for the name of this person you're seeing there. Just take this person's photograph as a clue to identify the other person. And the last clue for 15 points. The birthplace of this person, yes.
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla. What made you say Kalpana Chawla?
I just know that she was born in Karnal, from Karna.
You just know that Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, and you're seeing Karna over there, birthplace.
Husband.
That is her husband, you think so. That is the right answer. So, superbly done. This is Kalpana Chawla, and you answered it in the second clue, right? Third clue. So, that is 15 points to Team A. This was Kalpana Chawla only. And we have a penultimate question, I think. Question number 5, clue number 1. Again, you can go for it for a 25-pointer. Yes. Gujarati community albums, Navratri festival, go for it.
Falguni Pathak.
Is the right answer. 25 again. This is Falguni Pathak, named after the last month of Indian calendar. This was a famous album by Falguni Pathak, if you remember. The Payal Hai Jan Kai album. Super. And we are going to the last question of the quiz. Netravati Express. Question number 6. If we don't have a tie, this will be the last question. Clue number 1. Nepal, Sayam Tunga Fulka. Give me one answer only. Don't explain your answers. I just need a very specific answer. One answer. Oh, going for it. Team A. Taking the risk. One answer. Don't explain your answer. If
National
you explain,
anthem.
one single answer you can answer. What's your
National
answer?
anthem.
National anthem is your answer. This was for 25. Plus 25 if you were right. Minus 20 if you're wrong. So unfortunately, this is a minus 20 for you. Clue number 2. But you can try again. Always remember this is a clue round. Team E, what's your answer?
Ways to say hello. Ways to say hello.
Ways to say hello will fetch you a minus 15 point. This is not like ways to say hello. Afghanistan, Mili Surud, and Maldives, Kwame Salam. So nobody trying for 20 points. And the last clue. Pakistan, Kwame Tarama, USA start is the chance for Team B only. Everything else is stands cancelled. Yes.
Janaganamana.
Janaganamana is an ideal question to finish off a game, right? Is the right answer. Janaganamana was the answer I was looking for. These were, of course, national anthems by different countries, but unfortunately we can accept only this one. This was the answer. If that is for Nepal, this is for Afghanistan. What is it for India? That was my question. So unfortunate, I know. But loud round of applause. They were on the right track, but slightly derailed. Netravati Express was not yours. Make sure that Mangala Express will be yours. Very good attempt. And what a show by Team B. This is Janaganamana. 15 points to Team B. Can we have the final scores? And I request all the 6 teams to line up for a photograph on stage. And I request the dignitaries to join them on stage for the photograph. Just for the photograph. Please line up here. Yeah, make it fast. Well done, boss. What a show. Unfortunately. Awesome. Cool show, man. Well done, boss. Keep it up.